is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Shooting Dave here. So good to see your smiling faces. Now today I want to talk to you about what is more useful than a tripod. Now I know. Tripods are boring. No one wants to watch videos. But before you skip this video, please stay along because I have something I do want to talk to you about. It is this, the Manfrotto Friction Arm. Now, this might just be the most useful piece of filmmaking equipment you can get your hands on. You see, the entire intro that I filmed for this video was filmed using one of these friction arms. You can mount it just about anywhere. Any hard surface, any bar, any railing, you can mount it to. Okay, well, tripods you can actually mount to the floor. You can't do that with a friction arm. But let's back up a little bit. What actually is a friction arm? Well, first of all, you have this gigantic clamp, which you can mount to this work surface, for instance. You can also mount it to door handles, fridge doors, bars, railings, whatever you want. And then you have this giant knob, which when you tighten, makes the whole thing go rigid, because when it's loose, this thing can be bent in any direction you want. And now that is the beauty of it. You can bend it and mount it in any different direction that you want. So you can really unleash all of those creative ideas and angles that you wanted to capture, but you just can't with the tripod. Well, now you can with the Manfrotto Friction Arm. Now, I should add, I'm not sponsored by Manfrotto at all. I just really like their products. I have a tripod which you're on, tripod here for the microphone, another tripod, and then the friction arm. I just really like their products, but I am not sponsored or endorsed by Manfrotto in any way. My channel is definitely not big enough to command that level of respect. But yeah, anyway, the friction arm is a very versatile piece of kit. I mean, I've used it inside a race car, inside other race cars. I've used it for top-down shots. I use it for tutorials like this, talking to camera points, because it is just so much easier and quicker to set up than a tripod. With a tripod, you have to extend all of the legs, open them out, plant it down on the ground, mount your camera, work on your framing, rinse and repeat until you get it right. Well, with the friction arm, you basically clamp it to the table, adjust that knob, move the camera to where you want it, a little bit left, a little bit right, up, down, just tighten the knob, done, set. If it's not right, loosen the knob, redo it, tighten the knob, sorted. You're good, mate. It's done. You don't need to worry about it anymore. That's why I recommend getting a friction arm. So there must be a downside as to why you can't use a Manfrotto Friction Arm for just about everything. Well, there is one glaringly obvious fact. You can't mount it to the floor or any wide open floor surface for that matter. So if you're in a field and you need to mount a camera, tough. You ain't going to do it with a Manfrotto Friction Arm. For that, you're going to need a tripod. So they're not always the most practical and useful tools, but they definitely open up that creativity for you. So maybe consider getting one and adding it to your arsenal so you can get those creative shots that you couldn't normally get. Anyway, guys, it's just a short little video from me today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!